What health and social service issues will you work for? Thank you. Ms. Stiver.
Yes, I think it's very important to keep going after the block grants and getting them through the borough. I understand they're the ones who handle it and they match part of that grant. Partnering, like we have with the community service van. We also have at City Hall the Boys and Girls Club, boxing, and we have the youth court. And we're able to do that with not an exchange of money, but be able to partner together and linking other people in the community to partner with us. Also, I understand that grants now are being linked together, mental health and substance abuse, because there's times, a lot of times when we do have problems, we have people with dual diagnosis. They may have a mental disability along with an addiction problem, and then what happens, you've got, the dual diagnosis, and they need several organizations to meet their needs. So with money linked together like that, I think it gives the recipients a more broader range to use that monies in the areas they need them the most. My biggest concern, thank you for having me here, because some of your statistics in our community, I think the one when I came to your last meeting really struck me were the homeless teenagers in our community. I'm actually just aghast by it. I don't have all the answers. Of course, we have organizations and groups that do the work and have that, and they definitely need our support. The big thing that I would like to see, and I've seen it fall away in this community, is volunteerism. You have one good volunteer, handles a program, coordinates all the volunteers for you. They retire, quit doing it, and all of a sudden that program is not on the agenda anymore. That is greatly disturbing to me. It's our community, people that support our community. Thank you.
Thank you. And Ms. Strle, you have the final comment of the evening.
Thank you. As City Mayor, I would work on health and human service issues that can provide us with a measurable outcome and the results that we're looking for in our community. Working with United Way, I have had great experience working with our nonprofit sector, and while not a service provider, I certainly am aware of the work that nonprofit providers do in our community. I recognize that it takes sometimes a long time to solve problems, but I recognize the value that nonprofits have in our community. So certainly I think I would be a great advocate for Arctic Alliance for People and people in this health and human service sector. My experience with the past 10 years with United Way has really led me to this moment of running for city mayor, and it would be an honor to serve as your mayor. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Before we thank all of our candidates once more, we'll thank our support staff.